EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for October 1st, 2020. For the first day of the new month, we are going to be near average with temperatures generally room temperature. We're going to have temperatures on either side of 70 degrees today for north to south and mostly sunny conditions. So a very nice afternoon here for your Thursday. And then once we get into the evening, we're going to have clouds increase and then maybe some showers, it looks like, is going to be taking place for most areas after midnight, but it could get in as here our southern areas as early as late evening with a few showers overnight. And that is with the next system that's on the lead of a trough. Now we know we have cooler temperatures today and yesterday. We had cooler temperatures as well, comparatively speaking, to a few days ago when we were pushing 80 degrees. It is cooler, but that's not the trough we're talking about. This next trough that's coming in here is going to set up the weekend and early next week, actually for the Friday through Monday time frame to be relatively cool, even cooler than what we're going to see today. So today's near average, kind of either side of 70 degrees. Then we get back into the 60s over the weekend, and to accompany that, we're going to have a few showers moving here. Again, generally mainly after midnight going into early Friday morning, and then after that system moves away, we have clouds giving way to sun later in the day. Now, here's the NAM high-res future simulator radar, and starting this off at 11 p.m. on Thursday, and you can see some showers working into the York and Lancaster area here at this point, and all this precipitation is going to be spreading up here like this. So that's going to be moving in that direction, and it's going to fill in to the north, and it's just going to be scattered showers here, generally scattered light showers too, not really significant at all. This is like under a tenth of an inch for most areas. But you will have some scattered showers around, intermittent scattered showers going through the overnight into Friday morning. And this right here particularly this particular image is looking at 9 a.m. And then once we get to about noon or early, actually 1 o'clock here, you see just about moving off the coast here. So by mid-afternoon, it should be off or out of our entire region. But areas in the interior will have that done sooner. So you have the shower threat through about noon or so, maybe a little earlier. And then after that, we have clouds giving way to sun as that pulls away. So that's your Friday. Friday is going to be about 5 degrees cooler. We're generally on either side of the middle 60s here on Friday for highs. And then in the low to mid 60s, both Saturday and Sunday. But both Saturday and Sunday, we're looking at mostly sunny skies here on Saturday and then partly cloudy skies here on Sunday. Now, with that being said, we have another system coming in next week, but it's a little bit confusing, at least as far as looking at several pieces of model guidance with how this plays out. And I've seen some different sources sharing some things about a nor'easter next week or a big coastal storm. It's not out of the realm of possibility that happens, but I wouldn't jump on that just yet because we have some serious disagreement here with the guidance, and not only the operational guidance, but the ensembles are not agreeing with each other either. Here's the European model. This is the one that's showing that nor'easter coastal type system here. And now another thing is with a nor'easter, people hear the word nor'easter and they think, oh wow, we're going to get a big snowstorm already. It's October. We're getting close to winter. Okay, first of all, it's only been fall for 9 days. 9 days ago we turned to fall. Okay, so it's not almost winter yet. I know we've had a snow event that was pretty significant in 2011. That was the Halloween snowstorm on October 29th. That's the end of the month, not the beginning. Chances of you getting something this early are going to be extremely, almost impossible. Okay, so get that out of your head. Nor'easter just indicates the northeasterly winds coming around a low pressure that's pretty amped off the coast here that gives you some pretty good rain in this case. All right, so the Sunday is fine again. So we get into Sunday night. We have some showers working in here on the European model later at night, and then that goes into Monday. This system actually phases, upper level low actually phases with an offshore system here, and this thing wraps up and gives you some heavy rain. And again, the northeasterly fetch here on the European model, giving you some heavy rain and some windy conditions. That would be on Monday if that were to occur. It pulls away Monday evening and goes away. And then on the European model for Tuesday and Wednesday, we're back to mostly sunny skies. Okay, GFS is a little bit different though. Same system offshore down here, but a little bit further east. And the trailing system's coming in very weak. These two remain separate, so you just have a few weak showers coming through here Sunday night into Monday morning. But the primary low remains well offshore. These two do not connect. There's two different systems, one here and one here. But you see this one is running well out in front and out. Okay, so that is, in that case, not going to allow that connection, and all you're left with is a few showers here, and that's it. So we don't want to jump the gun and say there's going to be a stronger system next week. Is it possible? Yes. Are we there yet? No. We'll just keep updating this as we get new information, but right now we could see some models playing into progressive biases here with the GFS. That has a tendency to push everything along a little bit faster. That is a model bias of the GFS, whereas the European model tends to overamp short waves, and phasing it wants to phase systems a lot. So this is and that's an East Coast. That's a tendency of the European model, or a bias of the European model. So they're both kind of playing in their biases. One of them is doing so incorrectly, obviously. So we will sort that out and get back to you on that and how that works out down the road. But it does look like either way, once you get past into Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, both days on both models are expected to be dry. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is your outlook for October 1st, 2020. Have a great Thursday.